Charlie, get your ass down here. I know you hear me talking to you. I'm freaking mad, Charlie. Look at this bill. $400 for electricity? I am not happy. I told you to call the power company and get it lowered. Now go down there and get it lowered. And if they don't lower it, you know what to do.
Happy Halloween, Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. What's going on, everybody? It's me, Sean Taylor with Norfstar Solar, and I'm in a happy mood because we just released our Happy Green Money Machine solar systems for homeowners just like you. Now, these systems are designed to help you save money and to help you make money. So come with me in the neighborhood as I talk to some of the neighbors and get the word out and help
Oh my gosh, what do you want, man?
Thanks for joining Norfstar Solar on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and share with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to see more from us and turn on your notifications to be notified when we upload new videos. Before you go, check out Solarween Part 2.